and clear. Let me ask you something. You're smart. You know you can do better, but still, you feel stuck. No energy, no clear direction. You scroll your phone, procrastinate, and then hate yourself for wasting time. If that's you, you're not broken, and you're definitely not alone. This video might explain your entire struggle. The hidden trap smart students fall into. Smart students grow up hearing one thing: you have potential. Sounds good, right? But here's the problem. Potential creates pressure. You overthink everything. You wait for the perfect time, the perfect plan, the perfect motivation. Psychology calls this analysis paralysis. Your brain keeps thinking instead of acting. So you delay, you procrastinate, and slowly motivation dies. Not because you're lazy, but because your mind is overloaded. Your day is draining you without you realizing it. Let's break a normal day. Morning. You wake up tired. First thing, phone, messages, reels, bad news. Your brain starts the day in reaction mode. Science shows this spikes dopamine early, making focus harder later. Quick fix? Before touching your phone, drink water, stand up, make your bed. One small win. It resets your brain. Afternoon, classes, tasks, expectations. You try to focus, but your mind jumps everywhere. That's mental burnout. Quick fix? Study in 25-minute blocks, then stop, even if you feel you can do more. This trains your brain to trust focus again. Evening. You promise yourself, tomorrow I'll change. But night comes, you feel empty. So you escape. YouTube, games, scrolling. Not because you don't care, but because you're exhausted emotionally. The real reason you feel lost. Here's the truth no one tells you. Smart students don't fail because they lack ability. They fail because they lack structure. Motivation comes after action, not before. Confidence comes from keeping small promises to yourself. Do this tonight. Write one task for tomorrow, just one. Finish it no matter what. That's how direction is built, one step at a time. Mindset shift that changes everything. Stop asking, what is my purpose? Start asking, what is the next useful thing I can do today? Lost people look for meaning. Focused people create it. And listen to this. Feeling lost doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're growing. You're not behind. You're just early in your journey. If this video made you feel understood, hit like, subscribe for honest self-improvement, and share this with a friend who feels lost but doesn't talk about it. You're smarter than you think. Now it's time to move.